Hey guys, how to use Perplexity AI for academic writing. So using Perplexity AI for academic writing can help with research, generating ideas, and summarizing information. First of all, start with a clear query. Ask specific, well-defined questions. Example, what are the key theories in cognitive, right? In cognitive psychology, right? And then you're gonna hit enter, and you're gonna review the sources, of course, after the answer. And basically, after you review the sources, generate summaries, right? You could just go ahead and say generate a summary, and but after you ask follow-up questions, if you have follow-up questions, let's say for example you had a complex answer and you want to simplify it, just go ahead and type summarize, right? Summarize the topic, okay? And then hit enter to summarize the topic. And then explore comparisons, right? Ask for comparisons between theories or studies. Like for example, compare Piaget's and Vygotsky's view on learning, okay? And then you're gonna ask the follow-up question, and then refine for writing, right? Request a simpler explanation for further details, like explaining the topic for beginners, right? And then hit enter, and then note the references provided and cross-check them for accuracy and bibliography, right? You can see right here the sources, and you'll be able to revisit so you can get more in-depth detail about this topic, and avoid direct copying, right? Treat outputs as a guidance, rephrase and critically analyze for academic integrity. This approach streamlines your research while ensuring reliable and comprehensive academic content. So, let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching.